If you have created a new session from scratch, in order to record onto it, you need to create tracks to record onto. Here's how you create tracks. You may go to the menu Track and then click New, and you have some choices. First of all, you can select the number of tracks. Right now the default is 1. Then you may select either mono or stereo. There's some other choices here, but generally mono or stereo. We're just going to keep that mono for now. And then audio track. If you're recording something from a microphone to onto Pro Tools, audio track is what you'd want. And then here, probably keep it as samples. You could choose samples or ticks, but for most audio, keep it as samples. Ticks aren't relevant until you deal with some other kinds of things. And then you would click Create. If you want to create different types of tracks, click Audio Track and you can see the different types of track choices. There's an aux out input. That would be for sending special effects to a variety of tracks at the same time. Master fader, that'll be a track to manage the total number of audio tracks, like the total volume level of all the tracks together. VCA master, not really relevant for our time at the moment. A MIDI track, if you have some MIDI content, or an instrument track, which could also contain MIDI content, but apply the MIDI content to, say, a virtual instrument of some kind. For now, and if you want to create another type of track, click plus sign. Once you click the plus sign, you have another row of the same choices. So maybe one new, let's say, a stereo track. Okay. And then like a master fader track. Keep it as samples. What if you want to create or add something like a MIDI track? Okay, click the plus sign again. Maybe 2 MIDI tracks, so why not? Now 2. And let's make them stereo. Maybe a MIDI track, okay? See, for MIDI track, ticks is the format that defaulted to. Once you're done selecting, then click Create. And then you should see that total number of tracks. So there's the one audio track, Audio 1. There's the master fader track called Master 1. And there's the 2 MIDI tracks, MIDI 1 and MIDI 2. This is the edit window. And those same tracks are visible here on the the edit window and then on the mix window as well.